Hi, my name is Charlie Burton. I'm studying Level 3 Hospitality Management at Cardiff and Vale College. This course is a really good opportunity for anyone who does want to pursue a career in hospitality. With friends and family, there were high expectations for me going into more academic subjects like maths and English. As soon as I came into the college and saw the restaurant and saw all the students working in the kitchen, front of house and the bar, I realised it was right for me, and I really wanted to get the experience that everyone else is getting. And it's honestly the best decision I've made. I'm now competing in competitions, and maybe in the future I'll be competing in competitions worldwide for the college. My dream goal would be to have my own restaurant. So far I've said yes to everything. I'm just doing as much as I can to gain knowledge of front of house and bar work, just so in the future you're ready for it and you know exactly what you're doing. In World Skills, we'll have to do different activities that you would have to do in hospitality. It could be some cocktail activities, it could be napkin folding, it could be table setups. The one skill I'm really proud of, I've practiced so many times, is the flambe. Out of choice, I've practiced that for the competition many times. So now I am doing hospitality for a job, I'm doing it in college, and I'm hoping to have that as a future career.